Giovanni with Hardscape.com. You have seen us spread the sand, compact the porcelain with the polymeric sand, with the hardscape sand on this project. We have blown the excessive amount of poly sand from this area. And what's important for you to understand, on every porcelain paver that you use that is a hardscape product, you keep your polymeric sand 1/8 of an inch below on your joints. You can see here that this poly sand is not flush with the edge of the pavers. It's 1/8 of an inch below. If that doesn't happen, especially on a driveway, over time the hot tires will pick up that poly sand. So make sure that you keep 1/8 of an inch below, like we have done here. And next, we're going to be activating our hardscape sand, which is a very easy activation.